Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Some of y'all might recognize this from a video the other day, but I found out today he's going to try to do what I said, but he's got 200 of them to do. That would be a long, drawn-out process. Now, I'm not suggesting, I'm going to send this to him. I'm not suggesting he do this, but just a thought. He had the name and text to path with the kid's name and jersey number. What if we alter the name? This might be a deal to put on their gym bag. Why does it have to be text to path? Why does it have to be arched? Now that would be neat. It would kind of go along with the logo, but why not just do this? So I just, with Laser Jumpstart in their program called Nameit, it's incredible. I mean, I used to struggle with print merge, and then you have to in-position layout. Watch this. I'm going to go to Nameit. I've got my file name, which I loaded, which is name2. The target is name in select column. I'm a little bit confused because it's not going to change one, but so 1 second, it changed the people's name. Now we might have to adjust the length of the names, like that one's a little bit off edge. But I need to figure out, maybe I'll get with the Laser Jumpstart people why I didn't replace that one, but that's not a problem. You could have 200 of these on your laser bed, and you could change the name. So let's go to Excel where the names are, and I just made up these names and their jersey numbers, and I center justified them. And I did do that. And then I went and I go to export, and I exported it. Enough said. Then I go back to Corel, and let's just back up here and go through the process again. So there's name it, number it, and then batch it, which I've done videos on before. The target name is name. I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong here, but it doesn't matter because you can delete that one and then just hit OK. And it doesn't matter if you've got 2 or 200. It'll save you that time. Now, there's probably a way to maybe even make an envelope form in here to put it in there, and I'll do some research. And for the one I'm doing this for, I'm still trying to figure out a way we could do it with Nameit and have it on a curve. Anyway, just some ideas. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.